DerijeuFaty, Serigne Ndigeuel, DerijeuFaty, Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall. Back. See, when I do that, that means I went all the way to Tuba, sat with Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall. He gave me a lesson, and I came back. Speaking of lessons with Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall. See that? Hold up, before I get there. Look, I was in D.C. yesterday. I picked this up. You know this dope, right? Look at it. I like long walks in the park and singing about casades, about Cheikh Amadou Bamba. Oh, you hate it. Anyway, so I'm saying, come on. If anybody can wear this and make it cool, is it not Zxulu? Anyway, so, step back, Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall. All right, Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall. Because you know, when you take on a guide, a spiritual guide, they got to be able to do some real, like, give you some wisdom, some knowledge. So, I'm in D.C. Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall, he comes, this is a couple months back, he comes in America, bang, he's giving a teaching. You know, a sheikh is like a holy man, like Jesus. You know, when Jesus came, he would come around blessing people and solving people problems, and that's what the sheikh do. When you see one of these people, they say he's a sheikh, and they come from Africa, they're there to bless people and solve problems, and give you things to solve problems, so bang. So everybody was there, they blessing the sheikh. When they come, they want to bless the sheikh, so the sheikh bless you. And when the sheikh, he got a connection with God. Like the pastor got a connection with this guy, got a super connect with God. You know what I mean? That's all they do. They connect with God and they pass that connection on. Cool. So the sheikh's there. The blessing is coming. And out of nowhere, I'm seeing something incredible going on. People were running up to Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall with a bottle of water, right? He would take the bottle of water. Wait a minute. Is there a bottle of water here? Let me something like this. Imagine this was the bottle of water. This is the bottle of water, right? Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall would take the water and go and spit in it. No, I said he took the bottle of water and said, and then the person would grab the bottle of water and go, like it was a big gulp. They wanted that blessing that bad. Now, I know. Yeah. Yep. I know I got mind powers. I can read your mind. You're saying that's some nasty shit. I know. I'm gonna walk on up. Think about that. I'll be back. If my computer was working, I'd put that some nasty shit right there. Right? I'm gonna walk away in that spot right there. What is my finger right there? I'd put that some nasty shit right there. But wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute. Remember this? Remember this thing? Holy Bible thing? Yeah, remember down here in Matthew, they was like, when Jesus showed up, they was like, if I could just touch his garment, I'm blessed. So I'm thinking, wait a minute. And he would marvel at their faith like, I've never seen such faith. Oh shit, you believe that if I tell you this, you believe that it happened? They're like, yeah, Jesus, you just said, money, it's on. So I'm like, wow, they believe that they're going to get blessed so much that if he spit in their water, that they going to get blessed. So, you know, I'm like, all right, I'm going to do it. I'm going in. If I'm going in on hard, I'm going. If I'm going to be a disciple, I'm going to go in. I'm going to get this sheikh to spit in my water. And then I'm going to drink it. That's some nasty shit. I'll be right back. Think about that. Did you see it? That's some nasty shit. You saying, Zoo, that's some nasty shit. You taking this shit a little bit too far, Zoo. Okay, boom. So, Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall. I'm trying to get to him. I can't get no water. I go downstairs. I'm trying to get some coffee. I get the coffee. I come upstairs. The sheikh is coming at the same point I'm coming upstairs. Here come the sheikh. We meet at the same time. Boo! He goes, Zxulu. Come. I'm standing right next to it now. It's the moment of truth. I done talked myself in, like, oh, okay. I take the cup of coffee. So before I give him the cup of coffee, somebody else, they got a lady runs up, boof, gives him the water, the bottle of water. He goes, now he ain't make it, but still, that's some nasty shit. I'll be back. It's some nasty shit. I mean, in America, that's some nasty. It might be a blessing in Senegal. It might be a blessing all over the world. But in every hood, to spit in somebody's water is some nasty shit. And for you to drink it is some that's some extra nasty shit. I'll be back. Anyway, so the lady walks away after the check and drinks it. And so I'm there. I'm like, you know what, man? I need a blessing. My little raggedy ass done did all kind of crazy stuff. Whatever. I done drank alcohol, knew it was going to fuck me up, but drank it anyway. I done smoked ganja, knew it was going ain't none of your business. Anyway, we done did all kind of shit in the name of dumb shit. Okay, so I'm going to do some dumb shit in the name of righteousness. So, bang, I hand the check my cup of coffee. I'm going on in. Spitting it, let's do it. I'm going, whatever. It's whatever. I'm in there. I hand him the cup of coffee, and guess what this check did? He drank my coffee. He said, and gave it back. Wow! Not only since you believed and had enough faith to let me spit in your water and drink it, and you'll drink my spit, I'm going to drink your spit. DerijeuFaty, Cheikh Ndigeuel Fall till I die.